Everyone, hope you're doing good. Learn how to enable dark mode on Google Chrome using flags. Just see right here, I'm just typing it and the search results is coming in black. And if you want like that, just like that, then you just need to type Chrome at the very top, colon, // flags. The moment you have typed it, hit enter. And here we need to type dark, and you will find auto dark mode for web contents. Automatically render all web contents using a dark theme. So from here it is enabled. If you want to select default, just click on that and it will be relaunched, and it will be just like a normal result. Let me just search it for you. So this is how it's white, and you just need to type Chrome, then colon, then / flags, just like that, and hit enter. And here type dark, and you will find auto dark mode. I'll just click on enable, and here we have this relaunch, and here we go. So now you can see I have the dark mode here. So I hope you have enjoyed this very short tutorial, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Have a wonderful day. Take care, guys.